Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to delete a repository in GitHub. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I have here 5 repositories in GitHub. So for example, I would like to remove this repository covid underscore crude underscore php underscore mysql. Simply click this repository, okay, and then go to settings, browse until the end, and then go with the danger zone. Now a word of reminder and warning to everyone: once you delete this repository, there's no way that you can recover it. You have to create it again. So delete this repository, click this button, delete this repository. Okay, please type this one, the name of the repository. In my case, I just copy and paste. I understand the consequences. Delete this repository. Okay, so there's no repository now. Okay, that's it. That's simple, no? We have already removed the repository for good. Okay, so we have already 4 repository remaining. Okay, so that is the way, on how we remove or delete the repository in GitHub. This is the end of our tutorial video guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.